Hey everyone, it's Amy. Thank you for coming to my channel again today. As you can see, we ran into a few little issues here with my camera. Oh, I was so upset when I realized that my phone had shut off as I was recording. James and I spent a ton of time setting everything up, and I think what happened was someone called my phone, and despite having it on do not disturb, it somehow came through and stopped my recording. I'm so glad though that I decided to have him check just to make sure. So yes, James fixed the angle there, and as you can see, I've already done the entire circle in the inner part. The colors that I'm using will be listed down in the description. You'll still get to see the corners being done, which was exactly the same technique as I used on the circle. You just missed the very hard work that it took to get that circle almost perfect. And anyway, it is what it is. You know, crap happens. So these two canvases are 24 by 36 inches. This is the diptych that I have been talking about for, I think, almost a year now when I think about it. This piece is going on our living room. James is really picky about colors. He's really picky about technique. I thought several times that I had everything all worked out as to the technique and colors, and we changed our minds. So finally, we found something that he likes, something that I like, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So happy. And be sure to stay tuned to the end because I do have dried results, not varnished, but I do have the dried results. You'll get to see how amazing these two massive canvases dried. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying what you're watching. I would appreciate if you would leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what my viewers think of the pieces that I'm creating. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. All of the art that I create on my channel is for sale unless otherwise specified. Of course, like I said, this piece will be going on my living room wall. And I do commission pieces as well, so if you're interested, please send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. You can also check out my website at www.amysacrylicartistry.com. And if there's a video that you've watched and you're interested in that piece, just send me an email or a comment on that video and we can work something out. I ship all over the world. Yeah, so I'm just getting my mini blower all set up here to fluff out some of those edges. I really love my mini blower with the little attachments. They're perfect for blowing out any little edges or spots on Dutch pours, or I often just pull it out just to sort of add in some different movement with my pieces. Definitely a great investment. I know they're super hard to find, but if you have a look on Amazon, you should be able to find one there if it's something that you're interested in. All right, I'm going to throw on some music here. I will see you at the final dried results. Yay! So here we are with the dried results. Not varnished, like I said at the beginning, but definitely this piece dried really well. I was worried with it being such a large piece, but everything turned out absolutely amazing. That gold just sparkled through. I love the cells that it created, along with the contrast between the darker and the light blue. There's also some Pebeo's iridescent green blue in this. Love, love, love the iridescent line by Pebeo's. If you have not tried it, I definitely recommend it. I can hardly wait to get varnish on this piece. It needs to sit still for probably another week or so before I can get some varnish on it. And I will be having a dried results video coming up very soon, probably in the next couple months or so, showing off a whole bunch of the pieces that I have created that will now be varnished. I have a show coming up for Christmas that I'm already getting prepared for. It's in November here. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would sure appreciate it if you would hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this piece. Would you like to see more circle Dutch pours? I really enjoyed the challenge of this piece and how it brought out the creative side in me once again. I needed some inspiration and I am loving doing the circle Dutch pours. So have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!